find it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's getting hard to do that. My arm gets seizes up. There we go. Okay.
Oh, not the book.
Yeah. So essentially,
How official is that?
oh, you want it even more official? I could do that.
Oh God, no.
Let's see. What can we do to make it more official?
Oh,
Here we go.
God. Not the clipboard.
The clipboard. Here, we'll replace Paige's name with yours. With Keeley.
Oh, Jesus. Clipboard.
What's the date today? 25th?
Yeah, 25th.
There. It's even got my name and signature.
Oh.
So it's divided into, what, I think 8 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections. It's similar to what they have on their tablet. They get in with a tablet. And so they'll test you on different sections here. If you look, starting your vehicle. Starting just, basically your car is already going to be all started. Your seatbelt's going to be on. You're going to be ready to go before the examiner even gets to the car. So they won't ask you to turn the engine on or off or anything like that. Basically, it's just when you start your road test, when you leave your space, just make sure that when you're leaving your space, if they ask you for a left or a right, just use your signal. And fails to signal, so just use it. And then back and make sure that you look around 360 degrees, go backing, reversing into a space, or 3-point turns and parallel parking.